We were originally an open loop sand lane system, and that system works really good except when we're emptying our pits or in the winter when the manure starts getting too thick and we're adding water and trying to manage the water to keep the manure thin enough so that the sand system works. The complications with that open loop system in our environment, along with the addition of the digester, we knew we needed to go to closed loop system. And switching to this closed loop system, I looked at different technologies and really had a focus on ease of use and the amount of water we would use to make the system work.
I've been with Zimmerman Sales and Service since the spring of 1989. For a closed loop system, I highly recommend a slope screen and the OptiClean. The benefit of the GEA slope screen is cleaning the fibers out of the tea water for a cleaner sand.
So the GEA slope screen system will allow us to use around 200 gallons of water a day. So that reduces our water usage by almost 20,000 gallons water use a day, which saves us a bunch of money on the manure hauling side, should create a consistent, easy, clean sand that we can use to keep our cows healthy and just make a system that's consistent to operate. When I was presented with the idea of the OptiClean, I knew that slope screens required a person in here pressure washing the slope screens multiple times a day just to keep them working efficiently. The OptiClean took the labor part out of it, makes it so I don't have to worry about hiring somebody, keeping them on track, verifying that they did their job, and then in today's environment of just lack of labor and rising labor costs, it just created a simple system that I knew I can trust. Now all I have to do is have somebody come through and just verify that it's working. Maybe once a day they verify, did it work? Much simpler system. The most impressive feature of the GEA system is the minimal freshwater use that they have compared to other systems out there. In the Midwest, I worry about water and manure and where manure is going to end up. So the less clean water I have to add, the better position I am environmentally. And in the end, right now, for every gallon of fresh water I add to my system, it costs me a penny and a half to get rid of out in the field, and I'd rather not spend that. The less water I have to add, the better. This system should reduce our manure hauling cost in the neighborhood of $130,000 a year. The slope screen is an extremely simple operation. It's really the manure flowing over the screen. The maintenance items with the pressure washer systems here, I really see is just making sure that the pressure water system's working, just verifying that the chemical's in the right spot and the drive units are working. Very minimal weekly or even monthly maintenance, whereas a lot of the other systems require bearings and gears and other more expensive, more complicated items that somebody could potentially have to come in and replace. To anybody out there looking at systems, I would not only look at just simplicity, ease of use, but you also have to recognize the dealer network and the people that support you. We have great dealers in the GEA line, and we know that they'll come to support us, and GEA will also come and verify that the system's running. We expect these systems to last a long time with minimal repair and just great product support.
As a dealer, it's rewarding to do projects like this to help the dairy farmer succeed in his demands of cleaner sand and a better product at the end.